Okay, the next part is switching the memory. So take out these 2 screws in the memory compartment. And you'll notice there's clips on the side. There's one clip here and there's one clip here. Simply need to push out on them at the same time. So basically 2 hands, or a finger here, pull it out, finger here, pull it out, and the memory should pop up. And just simply pull it out. Now there's my camera here. There's a tooth right here, or a little slot. So you can't put this in upside down, it won't go in, because there's a slot right here that matches up with a slot right there. Same thing with this one down here. You can pop the little teeth out, lift it up, pull it out. So reversal is the same for installation. Pop that in, pop that in, put your cover back on. There you go. So you got your memory, you got your hard drive.